Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search for videos on Snack Video. So if you press the search button over here on the top right corner, you can see like what's trending right now and like even the hashtags that are trending. But to find a video, you're just going to press on this like search bar right here. And for instance, you want to search for like food videos. So I'm just going to type in food and press the search button over here. And you can see like users that have the word food in it. But if you want to find videos, just click on videos over here. You can find users, hashtags, and even music with the word food in it too. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!